Hey y'all, welcome to this video. It's Blake. Today I'm going to be installing some clip-ins from Curlsqueen. I'm so excited. Just to get started, in the box they include a brush, a satin bonnet with a drawstring, which is pretty cool. I've never used one like this, and some extra clips just in case one comes off or you need one. So a week ago I colored my hair jet black, and which meant I needed to do the same thing to the clip-ins. I'm trying out the watercolor method for the first time. I saw it a couple times on YouTube and I was like, this seems very convenient, especially just for a simple like dark brown to black transition. And it was really great because I was able to just dip the hair in and walk away and work on some other stuff. So I let that sit for about an hour and then I rinsed and washed the hair. This is what the hair looks like, completely air dried. There's lots of texture and it definitely is resembling like my hair texture, and I think it's going to be a great blend. The hair is very full, super thick, okay? And just to prep it before I install it, I am brushing through it and straightening them. I'm just running them through the Time straightening brush to get them a little bit straighter. My hair isn't like super silky straight, so I wasn't looking to get all of the kinks out. So these are the 24-inch clip-in hair extensions in the kinky straight texture, and these are the seamless clip-ins, so they have a super flat weft. I am a clip-ins girl. I wore clip-ins a lot in like high school and after, and so I'm just used to that old school sewing the clip onto the weft. So I was very excited to try out this new version of a clip-in because it's super flat. I'm just gonna brush through my hair and start parting. I did part off the hair right along my part and on my edges. I'm not gonna say that's extremely necessary. I don't know why I really did it, but I just wanted to make sure that the clips, I didn't put them too close to my edges or the top, but this isn't absolutely necessary. I don't know why I did that, but if you don't want to like position them in the wrong place, you could do this too. I'm going to install the first one as close to the bottom of my hair as possible, and I am sectioning off my hair in a U shape, kind of ear to ear as opposed to straight across. And I'm doing this because with the seamless clip-ins, they don't bend as much, and with the larger pieces, like with the 5 and 4 clips, they don't, you just kind of want them to lay as flat as possible, and going across your head like the full length of your head is a little bit easier to do that. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going kind of down and around my head as opposed to straight across. I'm trying to make a longer distance for the clip-ins to go, because these clip-ins come with such large pieces, which is a good thing. So I just kind of want to take up more space on my head. So for the second row, I'm going to use a 4 and a 3. As y'all can see, I'm just parting my hair with my nails, with my hands. I didn't really use a comb for the majority of this unless I just couldn't get it, but it's not super straight, but it's straight enough. Yeah, so now I'm working my way closer to the top and parting your hair kind of like at an angle and a U. This is going to come in handy for the front because the hair is going to lay kind of more forward and in my face, and it's going to help blend my hair a little bit better. So since my hair is not the same length as the clip-ins, I want to make the blend as seamless as possible, and angling it helps the hair lay forward, and so there's not as much separation between that top leave out and then the length of the clip-ins. So for the third row, I'm using a 5 and a 4 clip and taking that from the top of my part all the way to the other side at the top of my part. This set includes 10 pieces for a full head. Now let me tell you, I've worn a lot of clip-ins, and usually like the 8 to 10 range is never enough for me. I have a larger head and it's usually never enough, but with these, the hair was so full and thick. It came with a lot of larger pieces. It actually ended up working out really great. So this comes with like 5, 4, multiple 5s, multiple 4s, 3s, and then a couple of 2s. And it doesn't include any of the 1 clips, which I've kind of find useless anyway. So I really love that this set of clip-ins comes with so many, so they can make it all the way across your head and create more of a seamless look. So I'm finished installing all of the large pieces, and I'm just finishing up the top part. I'm still going in at an angle, and I'm gonna put the remaining 4 2-clip wefts at the top of my head. So hopefully you can see that parting my hair at an angle helps the hair lay more forward and in my face, and I'm not having to work as hard to blend my hair in, as well as the texture and the color also contribute to a good blend. And this texture is great for me because I don't always do like super straight silk presses or anything. Sometimes I just want a more fluffy blowout look, and these kinky straight clip-ins definitely give me that look, and matching the color perfectly makes blending a lot easier as well. I'm gonna put in the last clip right there at the top, and it's not exactly straight along the part, it's still kind of going at an angle. This is my first time doing it this way. I usually do go just kind of straight across. This helped a lot with blending and the hair just kind of falling in the right direction. The blend is already blending so well. You could definitely do a straight look. I'm gonna curl it, but this is kind of what it would look like if you did. I'm just gonna go over my hair and the clip-ins just to make sure everything is as straight as it can get before I wand curl my hair. I'm gonna section off my hair and start wand curling. This is gonna be a little bit of a long process. So I'm gonna use a tapered wand curler and just start wanding my hair. To finish it off, I am using some hairspray to hold the curls. I'm working my way through the last couple of sections, and my arms are starting to give out, so y'all can see that I'm like bending over, but hair curled very nicely. I didn't have to hold the hair on too long. And this is the finished look. I think it turned out so great. It's so full. It's definitely a lot of hair. But I think if once my hair grows this long, like this is kind of what it would look like. Thank you to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.